Hello, and welcome to English 105. Today we're going to discuss how our entire course is like a big, beautiful puzzle that we're going to have to put together piece by piece. So let's investigate how all those pieces will fit together in our course. English 105 is separated into many different pieces, and at the beginning of the class it may seem incredibly overwhelming. At first it might seem like we're giving you a ton of busy work, and there may seem like an insurmountable number of steps that we'll have to take. However, if we take those steps one at a time, we can see how they all work together to build strong foundations on which we can construct powerful projects. We'll begin our English 105 journey with creating a portfolio that we will continue to add to throughout the entire course. This portfolio will be where we share our work with others, share a bit about ourselves, and reflect on where we came from, where we are now, and where we're going. We will also reflect on things we do inside and outside of class during the semester. Our first big reflection will be an exploration of things we will learn in class, but we will do so in light of things we've experienced and explored in the past. We will continue to revisit these same themes throughout the course, learning more and more about them as we go. Throughout the course, we will have many opportunities to practice what we've learned from various readings in the textbook and outside resources by discussing them with our peers and putting our knowledge to the test. These are excellent opportunities for us to learn together, share what we think of this new information, and see if we are all on the same page. We'll share our thoughts with others so that they can learn from us, just as we will be able to learn from them. We will also have many opportunities to practice what we've learned on our own, through outlines, doing research, and other small activities. We will do brainstorming sessions, free write exercises, research plans, actually conduct research, develop our major projects, and practice these skills step by step. Eventually, we will fit all these pieces together to create work that we will be able to share with others. When the pieces come together, we will have a rough draft through our outlines, thesis statements, purpose, research, and so on. We'll put that all together just to see what sticks. Sometimes these pieces will fit together and other times they won't. That's totally fine. This is our chance to explore the writing process and experience real-world writing situations. We'll try our best to see what works and what doesn't. We'll never know until we try. Usually, the draft is mostly written for ourselves, but that brings us to our next step, thinking about what our audience sees when viewing our work. This is when we will present our work to others. What is our strategy for doing this? First, we'll share our rough draft with our peers through the peer review discussion board. Then we will share our draft with the instructor. Next, we will also consider getting extra feedback from our writing mentor, the writing center, and other sources, friends, family, old instructors, and so on. And finally, we're going to provide feedback to at least 2 peers during each peer review discussion, which will allow us to see other ideas and compare and contrast how we've approached our own project. Which brings us to putting it all together. Now that we've had plenty of time to think about our work via discussions, invention work, drafting, and gathering feedback from multiple sources, it is now time to just finalize our project. And we'll follow that up with yet more reflection. We'll keep going back to reflecting throughout the entire course, each time building upon anything new we've learned or experienced both in and outside of class. We will reflect in a variety of ways through our pre-course, mid-course, and post-course reflections in our portfolios, as well as in separate smaller assignments, and after each major project, such as our revision reflections and multimodal reflections. And that will bring us to our completed puzzle, the grand finale. This course will be intense, and we don't have much time to spend on each piece or figuring out where each one goes, but if we try our best and keep attempting to solve this complex, ever-changing enigma to the best of our abilities, we will succeed. When we look back upon our completed final projects, reflections, and portfolio, we will realize how far we have come, how much work we have put in, and how much we have grown along the way. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.